Today we're looking for rare Pokemon cards. I found some this week, but I didn't get any footage of it, so we're just going to go straight to Target. Let's check it out.
Here we are at Target. Let's see what they have in stock.
Looks like Meddling Sparks here, which you have a shot at Evolving Skies, but the price tag's $50, so not really for me. Ursaluna EX collection is in stock. Really nice looking set. 4 packs inside and your 3 promos there. Grand Adventure collection still sticking around. Excuse me, Lorcana. Surging Sparks, Obsidian Flames, and Stellar Crown inside of this one. Here we have some Shrouded Fable tins. I haven't seen these in a little while. Wow, there's actually quite a bit of Grand Adventure collection here. Mass Bostive EX Showcase. This is a new one for me. I have not seen this one. It looks like you have Scarlet and Violet base. Silver Tempest inside of there. Quite a few of those sticking around here. Wow, look at all of this Shrouded Fable. Even some over here too. Let's play Pokeball Lottery. We have D24, 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 D24. Oh my, no, it's gonna be all D24s it is. Charizard EX collection still in stock. Looks like Obsidian Flames, some Paldea evolved in there. Maybe some Scarlet and Violet, I can't quite tell. Cool looking promo in there. That is a really nice collection, but for value wise, not really your best play. This is cool too. This can hold your cards. And look at this. The Alolan Executor V from Pokemon Go. I have never seen Pokemon Go at Target, and here it is. If you like Pokemon Go, it is in stock at Target right now. There are 4 packs inside of here, and this giant Executor. Ogerpon EX collection, a really nice collection as well. Stellar Crown inside of there, looks like a Paradox Rift, 2 Surging Sparks, and a few other packs that I can't tell just by the corners of them, but there are 6 packs total inside here. Promo's actually pretty cool. Quite a few of these Pikachu tins in stock here. A couple extra tins over here as well. If you haven't seen that, this is what it looks like. There are some nice promos inside. That Pikachu especially looks pretty cool. Here's what the backside looks like. Here's these 2 tins. I am not sure what's inside of these, and I'm actually not even sure how to tell what is inside of these. We have a Tropicos Ultra Premium collection still in stock in the store. Here we have Cleaver V-Star. I really like the look of this. What do you have inside? You have Lost Origin, 2 Lost Origin, a Fusion Strike. Ooh, people are really after that. And it looks like a Brilliant Stars in there as well. Hey, this might be getting close to a really good pickup right now with the way the prices are going. Guys, I thought we'd do something a little different today. We're going to look at Best Buy and whoa, located at checkout. Okay, let's just check over here and see if they have anything at all in stock that is Pokemon related. They do have these deck boxes for $24. It's a lot of Lorcana, a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh here, and a lot of sports cards. Hey, another deck box. Best Buy does have some cool figurines. Here's some Amiibos, the Mario, it's a me. And then we have Princess Peach, it's a me, a Peach. And it's a me, a Goomba. Gojo! Bro, I kinda want that Gojo though. Gojo! Bro, look at that. Oh, Lord. Anya, Anya, Anya. Kakarot. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry. No, I mean like really, like red angry. You wouldn't like me when I'm sleepy. Red Hulk just kind of looks like a mad white dude, you know? It's looking pretty empty. Oh, no. Oh, wow. It's getting rough out here, guys. Somebody broke into the Temporal Forces. They even left all the energy packs. They were desperate for some packs. And I can understand why. Because, yeah, there's nothing around. Wait a minute. Who's this? Pichu? Is that you? Oh, hi. I know y'all be playing that Pop It, huh? Y'all been popping it, huh? Look at this big giant wall of Funko Pops. What's going on with Funko now? Like, I don't know Sauron, but it's like a pixel, and like a Green Goblin that's a pixel. And then you got Bullseye from Target, but he's a Ninja Turtle. Does this make sense to you guys? Shakira? Huh? Lunch Lady? What is a... Okay, I know Lunch Lady, but Winged Karibo? I mean, this is just like the most random things. Hey, there's Shadow, the Dark Hedgehog. Like Tweety with a mask and it's on a broomstick? Like, what are we doing? I didn't find too many Pokemon cards this week, so let's take a quick pack break. If you've been playing Pokemon Pocket, you're familiar with the new Mythical Island season that's out right now. Let's see what packs we get out of here. Oh, a Pikachu, and that's it. I also have some promos to open that I'll show you guys. Here's one of the promos. Promo A Volume 3, a Volcarona, Okay. What we're hunting for in these is, of course, a Blastoise. It's a really cool looking card. Ooh, Eevee. Didn't have this one. It's a really cool card, but we'll see if we can pull it. Let's keep opening some packs here. Here we go for another promo. Hey, let's see what we get. Come on, Blastoise. Oh, no. How about a Mythical Island pack? Let's see what we can get out of here. Ooh, Celebi EX. Nice. Okay, that's a good one to get here. Maybe we can get a double hit. Okay, just one. All right, here goes another pack. A1, Ponyta, Salamant. Did I say that right? I don't know. Oh, huge hit. Aerodactyl EX. Man, that is a cool looking card. Check that out. I'm getting pretty close to being done with this Mythical Island setup. Here we go for another pack. Let's see what we get inside. Mankey. Galvantula. Mythical Slab. I see that in the Mewtwo decks a lot now. Here we go again. Let's see what we got. Eevee. Ponyta. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay. No hits in that one either. That's all the packs I had for now. Let's go see if we can find some more Pokemon cards. Here is a tiny restock. Would you call this a restock? I don't know. I don't know anymore. Obsidian Flames inside of here with your Scarlet and Violet. Palafin promo. Bex. Caliber promo. $11.98 for this. And you got your Pikachu coin there. We have these resealed things. These are no good. Don't ever buy these. There's nothing good in here. Knockout collection, of course. Also not really a good play. 2 Pokeballs. What do we got? A24. A24. Oh, what is this? C2310 here. That's going to have Astral Radiance and Lost Origin inside. The Jirachi V pack. What do we got inside? Looks like Paldea evolved. Stellar Crown. Or actually, that's 2 Obsidian Flames, it looks like. And an Astral Radiance. The Jirachi V promo. Absol. The big giant Jirachi V. How many packs inside? 4 total, I believe. There we go. 4. And we have our Tyranitar EX Premium Collection. A great looking collection. 6 packs in total. There you go. You have your Tyranitar stand there and your Tyranitar EX promo, of course. Your Larvitar. Pupitar hiding behind there. These are the sleeves that it comes with. And yeah, that's it. What do we got inside? Looks like Twilight Masquerade times 2. Maybe like Paradox Rift in here and 2 Stellar Crown, I'm thinking. A good looking set. Shrouded Fable ETBs for $55. You got your Charizard EX Ultra Premium Collection there. Hey look, Fallout Magic. Here of course is more Charizard Premium Collection. A lot of Obsidian Flames inside of this old guy. Somehow Trick or Trade is still in stock. Paradox Destiny tins. You're going to have a lot of Paradox Rift inside of these guys. I am sure of it. What do you have? 1 promo, 5 booster packs that are going to be Paradox Rift. Shrouded Fable booster bundles for $28. Shrouded Fable starting to pick up in popularity. You might want to pick these up for $28. Not a bad deal. Before we call it a wrap, I want to give a shout out to Maxton and Milo and Braden and Atlas. Check out these rock stars in their Champions Card Club member exclusive sweaters. I just made a limited run of these for the holidays. If you guys are interested in some, leave a comment down below and we'll see about getting some merch out to you.